Hello, and welcome back to our series all about Wix invoices and price quotes. In the previous video, we've talked about how you can add billable items. We've learned how to list your services beforehand, so they're always ready. In today's video, we are going to learn how to manage them so you know where to look when you need to edit or delete them. Let's get started. On your site's dashboard, go to Getting Paid and go to Invoices. Click on More Actions and below it, select Manage Billable Items. This is a list of all of the billable items you've previously added. Hover over the billable item you want to work on, and you should see options here to edit it or delete it. To manage multiple items at the same time, simply tick the checkboxes of the billable items you want to manage. Once you're done selecting, you'll see options here at the top. You can either create an invoice or delete your selected billable items. So feel free to manage your billable items using the available options. And that's it. We hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and consider subscribing for more Wix tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.